Hi, this is Ryan from Seaport Spine. I'm here with Julia and her friend Cassia, right?
Hi.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Did I get that right? They work in the neighborhood. Thought they'd stop by, take advantage of our promotion of free adjustment for a YouTube to do a YouTube video, and trying to figure out how we should start the video, what I could talk about, but nobody really has anything to say, so you have nothing to add, right? All right, so she's not nervous. We're gonna go ahead and jump right into it. So can I get you to go ahead and lay on your stomach, please, Julia? So I finished her assessment, just checked her for red flags briefly. She's healthy and having some neck and back pain. Here she works with kids, babysitting right now. Lots of lifting the kids.
Yeah.
How old are they?
7 months.
It's the 7 month.
Yeah.
7 month. Okay. So starting to crawl or.
One is, the other isn't. They're really big though.
Are they twins?
No, different families.
Oh, different families, okay. All right, let me get you to go on your side facing me, please, so right side down. Okay, move forward a little bit towards the edge. Yeah, that's good there. All right, I'm gonna roll the shoulder out from underneath. Any problems with the shoulder?
No.
All right, grab your bicep, grab your elbow, put your arms up, drop them here, good. My hand there. Bend this leg at the knee, straighten that bottom leg out. Yeah, good. All right, we're gonna do a little stretch to go back. Can you pick this hip up? Yeah, yep, good. Looks like you're pretty flexible. I'm gonna rotate you here. Yeah, this is about good here. Nice little stretch. Lean back slightly. Yeah. Okay, keep your upper body right here. Start to stretch the low back. You okay in this position? No pressure in here, yeah. No pressure down the leg. Yeah, nice and loose and relaxed. Yep. Good. Okay, let's try the other side, Julia. You okay?
Yeah. This one's straight.
Yes, move forward a little bit. Let's see, try here and here. Arms up there, good. Slightly. Yeah, good. Take it a little bit this way. Lean back, yep. Okay. Little pressure in here, little pressure down the leg. Yeah. Yep. Okay, you okay there?
Mhm.
Nice and relaxed here, Julia. Yeah. Good. Okay. Can I get you to go seated, please? Yeah. Okay, swing your legs up onto the table like this one up as well. Yeah. And scooch forward a little bit. Yeah. So we're gonna do a couple adjustments for the mid back and the upper back. Could you fold your arms, please? That looks good. Just cup your shoulders a little higher. Yeah. Okay, keep the grip tight. Relax the arms. Loose. Yeah. Yeah. Any discomfort with that pressure?
No.
All right, my hand here. Deep breath in. Let it out. Relax the shoulders. Yep. All right, and then you can stay on your back. You okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just don't know what to expect.
Keep the grip tight there. You haven't been watching any YouTube videos, crazy chiropractors cracking people's backs?
No.
There's a lot of them out there. I'm gonna open this up a little bit. So I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna roll you this way. I got my leg here,
Okay.
and so you're not gonna fall. And I'm just gonna kind of pull back and put a little pressure in the back there. So, yeah. Good. Yeah. Okay. Deep breath in. Yeah, let it out. Relax the arms. Yep. All right, let's try. Come on up this way. Yeah. All right, so give yourself a big hug. Here. Relax the arms. I'm gonna move you. Here. This. Keep the grip tight. See these long arms? This is why I was asking if you're an athlete. This was like volley. This come in hand for volleyball or something, right? No. Yeah, relax the arms. Yeah, a little looser here. Yeah, good. Okay, so yeah, your job, keep the grip tight, but let the arms relax so I can push them down against the chest. Relax, relax. Yeah. That pressure okay there?
Mm-hmm.
All right, try this one more time. Deep breath in. Let it out. Deep breath in. Let it out. Yeah. Relax, relax, relax. There we go. All right. Yeah. Do a little crunch. Do a little crunch. Yep, yep. You do that, please. So I caught Julia really tensing up and guarding on me. I had to wait for my window there.
Oh no, background is done.
No, this is good. You're good there. Yeah. But it's normal for first meeting, first adjustment for someone to kind of be a little tense, and I just kind of have to wait for my window, or maybe go easy on the first visit. Okay. Little poking and prodding, sorry. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Head to the side. And rotate. Yep. Nice and relaxed. Yep, let your head drop. Yep. This good entertainment, Cassia?
Yeah.
How you doing, Julia? Okay?
Yeah, it's gonna end up being a meme. This.
Yeah. That's the side. What platform did that go on? The memes?
Every platform, no?
Right.
TikTok.
Let your head drop. Relax. Yep. Good. Alright, just gonna do a little post check. Let your head drop. Relax. Yeah, yeah. Okay, come on up, Julia. Alright, you're all good. As I saw with Julia, as we kind of moved up the back, I could kind of feel her guarding and tensing up, and a little nervous, but that's okay. Adjustments went well. It's good for a first adjustment. And yeah, I'm just curious about these memes. What platform is this? I'm a little older than you, so.
TikTok, Instagram, Facebook.
Okay.
All of them.
Yeah,
Right.
I think we have
YouTube.
Instagram.
YouTube too.
So do we spread the memes, or you spread the memes?
No, they watch the video and make the memes.
Okay, alright. Oh, yeah, it's like a remix
Yeah,
kind of
yeah.
thing. Yeah, I got you. Okay, alright. You feel okay?
I feel okay.
Yeah, glad you came in?
Thank you, yeah.
Yeah, hey, cool. Yeah, me too. Alright.